i-meeting ade khona le nami ngizwile ukuthi uMagayi ube khona u-Africa Unite lo wayi-organize ilentoza so bebezothula ubuholi base KZN bethula nobaba uWillis. So uComrade Sbu introduced the MKP KZN detachment. MKP KZN detachment uComrade Willis Mchunu uyena uconvener wase KZN, uyena umuntu who is going to be bringing the stability of umkhonto wesizwe in KZN. KZN ke ubaba uWillis Mchunu inganza kwethu ube umuntu futhi ake ngisho njalo noma umholi ngokukhulu kumhlonipha. Umholi oyaziyo iKZN, oyazi ngalendlela ukuthi wazi from ama-VD ngokuhamba kwawo, azi ama-sub-region nama-region, azi ama-wadi, azi ama-zone. So ke iKZN uyazi njengoba ezazi. So ke to bring that stability, to bring that stability in KZN, I think lobo buholi lobo obulethiwe ukuthi ubaba uWillis Mchunu azobuhola base KZN, ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bayakwamukela la kuma TikTokers njengoba sikhona la ngaphakathi. I think we have 94 people ngaphakathi abangakwazi ukucomment. Ngicabanga ukuthi impela nabanye abaholi babumukela ngezandla eziphezulu. So iMKP KZN detachment ubaba uWillis Mchunu uyena uconvene, bese kuba uComrade Maphasela Mzobe, angibazi ke mina abanye balaba, kube uComrade uVusi Mwelasi bazokhomenta abantu, kube uComrade uSibusiso Hadebe, kube uComrade uCanon Mdletshe, bese kuthi kwi-National High Command i-National High Command kube uComrade uSibuxulu, kube ngiyangidida ke lento le ukuthi mayisithi KZN, kube uComrade Zizwele Makhanya, kube uPresident Jacob Gedle Zuma, ibona bakwi-National High Command yase KZN. Okay, now President Jacob Zuma addresses. Commander Willis Mchunu will now take charge of KZN province. Number 2, effective with immediate effect, there will be no more parallel structures. There will be no more parallel structures. I don't wish to hear about them again. So bafethu niyezwa ke lento le usigijimela nama placard. Hayi, we have a constitution in place. If you act out online, we provide you with a copy to read. Once you recognize the clause you violate, you violated, you will exit. Bafethu la emkhontweni sizele siyayiyela. Number 3 usho kahle uthi uma uviolate iconstitution, exit. Akusancengenwe ngempela ke manje, ziyakhala ke manje. Uma uze ngeqiniso emkhontweni, you will abide by the constitution and the constituency of the organization and the mandate of the organization ukuthi uzomela umuntu omnyama. Number 4, we will not be holding the election conference as money has been used to manipulate such event. So bafethu ayikho i-conference ayisoze futhi yahlala, ayikakazi ukuhlala futhi mhlambi ngangahlala nhlobo nje so as long as umkhonto wesizwe ukhona, ngoba leyo nto iyingozi emkhontweni wesizwe, yabo. So ke iwubungozi. Number 5, instead we will conduct an consultation conference, It's not a conference ezohlaliswa umholi, it's a consultation conference to evaluate our leaders' performances. If we are satisfied with the leaders, they will remain. If not, they will replace them. Bafethu, umuntu uzosebenza usebenzela umuntu omnyama. Yayizwa leyo? Akukho ukuthi la ucathi ngeke uevaluate, uzobu evaluatewa ukuthiwa uyasebenza noma usebenza. There will be reports coming from ama branches. There will be reports coming from ama branches about your performance. Ukuthi uyaperforma yini. Ma ungaperformi, imbizo mhlazana ifika. Yazi ukuthi ibhantshi igcwala umoya. Bafethu, umkhonto wesizwe ngempela isikhathi sokuncengana sesiphelileke manje. Sizosebenza kuzosetshenzela umuntu omnyama. That's the mandate. Ungayifuna enye ke kuyipolicy ke ube iclever black ileyo nje ukusebenzela umuntu omnyama. Instability within our revolutionary parties can be traced back to the Geneva Conference Agreement, which prevents us from eliminating spies once captured. This led to the influx of spies upon ANC return to the country. Nakhi abafethu abama placard akobe bayezwa oplago onsizi yebhodwe omacosha ikhalibhothi ake sibaphindele unumber 6 ukuze bawuzwe. The case into vote rigging is still ongoing. Bafethu, i-case on vote rigging is still ongoing. Ningayiphuthumi, there is a lot that needs to be done. If i-court izothola ama loopholes, uma i-court izothola ama loopholes, izoyithrowa out case. So everything ekufanele ibhekwe, kufanele kubheke lonke ikhona lekhona la le case. Ngizosho ke ngesingisi le kuyakushiwo into zakhona ukuthi kusuke kuthini. Yabo? Impela omakhathoni, yazi kwakukhona umunye umfethu ngasekhaya kwakuthiwa umakhathoni. Awumakakhethile, usaphila makakhethile. Awusingajabula input yakho lokungena. As a member of MKP, we must remain disciplined and refrain from speaking ill of one another. What kind of a comrade disparages another? Do you truly understand the meaning of comrade? Yabo? Yabona nje oma placard ukukhuluma ngathi siyinhlangano sonke njengoba sama comrade laba abama placard kushuthi basikhuluma kabi. So labo bantu kahle they are violating nje i-code of conduct yomkhonto wesizwe. Yabo? Kunjalo umlungu osikhathayo futhi umlungu yilabo abajahe nezimali emaphaketheni. So ke unumber 8 nganza kwethu statement esikanqamalala, members of MKP must remain disciplined, refrain from speaking ill of one another. What kind of a comrade disparages another? Do you truly understand the meaning of comrade? Yabona? Okay. Number 9, I want to express my gratitude to you, to the Youth League of our recent meeting. I am pleased with their understanding of the new constitution. Those who may be affected by the changes should still be integrated into the mother body as their energy is valuable. So let's not despair. Njengoba seku 14 to 30 wena osu 31 uyaphezulu obuthi mina ngiseku 30 angakafika ku 35 ngiseyiyouth cha usuzofika ku 35 ngiseyiyouth cha wena usumdala. Yabo? Usumdala. Mina ngicela ukuyichaza lento bafethu ukuthi advantage yayo ikephi. My take again, I always say that my take. For me, kuthiwa ligotshwa kusemanzi. uma kuthiwa ligotshwa lisemanzi, uma uzoyinciphisa iminyaka ye-youth, that means uma ukhula unama aspirations ukuthi wena uthanda ipolitiki, at an age of 19 usuya evarsity noma at 17 usuzoya evarsity. Uma ufika khona ungena kuma structures oSASC obani o-MK Youth League kwi-SRC, ungena umncane, probably you'd graduate around 20, call it 2025 latest. So wena unama aspirations okungena, so wena already usugrumekile from tertiary level, and then you have a degree, ufune degree or usenza no postgrad nani. Then you are left with 5 years. You are left with 5 years now to actually say, now I'm in the youth league within ama structures a political party le okuyona. In fact, angingasho ukuthi okuyona umkhonto wesizwe uma ukuthi uzogcina ku-30 umkhonto wesizwe lo. Now, lo 5 years uzokwenza ukuthi ube mature politically. If you start being radical, then you graduate to be not radically and become level number 3, whereby you mature in politics. What it does is the reduction of iminyaka is that it grooms ama leaders azobe fresh, azongena kwi-mother body that can be affiliated with the governance. So that means you'd be a member of parliament at a very young age. You've already groomed, you're being groomed at an early stage. Angithi ngihlale ngikhalela ukuthi awaphume amakhehla in. So ke i-advantage yokunciphiswa kweminyaka is that now you'll be having fresh minds ezongena kwi-governance, ko-parliament, kuphi. That's part of governance anyway. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Those are the fresh leaders that will be Those are the fresh leaders that will be leading. Those are the fresh leaders that will be leading as ambassadors, international representatives. Those are the fresh leaders that will be representing businesses, the corporate world of affiliated nomkhonto wesizwe. So abantu abangakhali ukuthi ayimanje sesiyakhishwa i-age in lento asingabi nomqondo wokuba lazy ukuthi singafuna ukusheshisa izinto. And number 2, remember ukuthi once we start adopting a proper curriculum that is practical as a BRICS member, njengoba ningibone ngifane ejezi lase Brazil, as a BRICS member we are part of Brazil, Russia, India, China, nathi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much Mazandi. So nganza kwethu uma i-curriculum yethu sizoyithatha ke manje si-adopt i-curriculum e-practical njengayase China, whereby kwi-kindergarten yase China, that's where you see iy'ngane hayi zidlala ucabhayane, hayi zidlala ngamabhola pink and yellow and bani, zidlala zenza izinto ezi-practical, ziyapheka, ifundisa ukupheka, ifundisa ukuthunga ngemishini emincane, zifundiswa izinto ezi-practical. They do military training exercises. So if we bheka lento le, uma sizoba ne-curriculum that is adopted that will go in line in grooming i-youth yethu noma iy'ngane zethu isencane, this thing of 14 to lentos 14 to 30 yinhle kakhulu bafethu, ningakhali mangabe beniyi-youth, mangabe benicabanga ukuthi niyobribe abantu e-home affairs njengabantu bebhola nithi nifuna ukuhlehlisa ama-ID, wayekeni nje bafethu, wayekeni, qhubekani niyezwa kuthiwani lana ukuthi nizofakwa kwilentuza kwi-motherboard as your energy is valuable. So khohlwa nje bafethu ukobribe i-home affairs nithi nifuna ukuhlehlisa ama-ID, bosi batshele lapho laba abafuna ukuhlehlisa. So khohlwa nje bafethu ukobribe i-home affairs nithi nifuna ukuhlehlisa ama-ID, bosi batshele lapho laba abafuna ukuhlehlisa ama-ID bakithi. O-plug card abayeke nje ukuhlehlisa ama-ID bafethu omakhathu. Number 10, the behavior of some MKP members during Wembesi Memorial Service was disheartening. Such conduct is unacceptable and must cease. If we have comments regarding the leaders, please follow the proper channels within the party. Yabona ke labo ngangikhona ke kuleya memorial service esewembesi la okwathi kusukunyiswa uspeaker I mean ispeaker yes esasokhuluma ngaleso sikhathi uThobani uZuma ucomrade uThobani uZuma bahayiza abanye omama lapha eceleni bahayiza ibhadi kwaze kwafanele ukuthi kusukume unqamalala aye stage ayoyikhuza lento le ukuthi le eniyenzayo ke la omkhontweni wesizwe laba ke laba benza lento le ewembezi bayafana nalabo abade lapha esentini laba basiphoxa into eyibafethu ngendlela basiphoxa ibhadi ngayo uyayicabanga umdala ngizoyiphinda lento bafethu uyayicabanga umdala bheka usugijima neplaque card ugijima neplaque card elibhalwe ngeeyeliner yaseBree uyangithola wena uyangizwa yini laseBree umakhalibhothi wena umakhathoni yabo wawukhona busi wawukhona omakhathoni begijima namaplakadi abhalwe ngesandla sakafestiye amakhalibhothi phakathi esentini yey bafethu. Okay, I appreciate the efforts of the PTT, but as of today we are disbanding it. So ke ngiyacela ke ngani zakwethu hambani ke manje nemagroupini uma nifuna ukuqhamuka nento lucrative. Mazandi, thank you so much. I think uMazandi uthe umashingizela ngithanda leli mashingizela mangabe uyena impela, please correct me on that. Ngicela niye emagroupini yabo njengoba nila uyakwazi phela ismartphone lesi uyakwazi ukuthi uyo vele iyahamba lento itholakala egroupini ukuthi niphinde niudlulise umyalezo ukuthi awasekho ama PTT nane I think in a PCC angisazi kodwa something like that awasekho, but PTT just concentrate lapho kuloko ekubhalile awasekho. Uma kukhona abantu especially eKZN, excuse me, abazothi bona base PTT yabona ke leyo PTT leyo i-parallel structure ke leyo ama-parallel structure ke lawo yabona into eyenziwa ulentozi angazi ke kwi-RIC wenkosi yami, but angeke phela idisband i-RIC. Angithi if ubuka kahle kahle you will have from your NIC to your PIC to your RIC to your BIC. Nakhona kusathiwa o-I ngoba kusewa amalentuzi. Iyanithuka khona obhala ukuthi iyanithuka iPTT inithukelani omakhathoni nabo omaplakadi kanti okay. Anyway angayi kakhulu kuleyo ngoba bengisafuna ukuchaza lo I lona uthi interim. Yabona njengoba bethuka balikhohliwe leli gama la interim, leli gama elithi inkokheli command umuntu owayethanda ukuthi mangikhuluma naye ilo owalahla wayethanda ukuthi inkokheli awusize la wayekusho ke athi lento ka interim ithi uhlezo kwesikhashana mase sibona ukuthi kunomuntu noma kuneyinjula buchopho ekufanele zingenele phela usuzodeda udedele bona yabona mawudedela bona uzobe wena usubuyela ngemumva uqhubha umzabalazo yabona. So ke laba bathukayo abangafuna ukukhipha ekhundleni abaphatha lamabhodi lawa angacacile sebekhohlwele ligama elithi interim la kwi-constitution kushiwo kwathiwa wonke umuntu kwi-probation for 24 months, that's 2 years yabo. So ke sebengathuka nje benzeni into ekufanele nibenze yona labo bantu laba abathukayo. Sike sayikhuluma lento yama group la ukuthi abantu laba banobudlobongela abaspread information ebhedayo. Uma bekulama group enibonayo ukuthi lawa WhatsApp ama group that are lucrative for umkhonto wesizwe bablockeni nibanqena. Hayi niyakwazi ukublock abantu la. Bablockeni ke phela nalapha yana kwilentuzo. Bablockeni nibakhiphe ndokuthi bakhiphe waqala umuntu wenza nonsense mkhipheni kwi group. Waqala wafaka ama photoshopped images spreading propaganda, block them. Ningabaniki indawo. Uma bensendela ama link bethi ngenani kuma groupeni ngoba phela bayayixosha inamba zenu. The moment ungena kuleyo group ubona ukuthi ayicacile, exit and block it. Easy. Yabona nje mina the power that I have la. No moderator bakhona la. That's the power that we have. The power that we have is this. Ukuthi uma ukhuluma nonsense ngicelile ngathi abamute. Uma usithuka usikhulumela kabi siyablock. Easy. Akukhulumela kabi siyablock. Easy. Akuhluphi nje nihlulwa yini ukwenza ema groupini. Why are you allowing propaganda to be spread? It's true. Finger lo is powerful njengamanje. Yabo? And ukhona kubuso uyazi ke khona la involved khona kwezinye izinto ezithizeni. One of the scripts that we have, the power of social media. Guys, power of social media is recognized internationally manje. Yabona silokhu saba ukusho ukuthi uTikTok has a significant role or a social media. Lalelani bafethu. We are transitioning to be one of the powerful people if we use these platforms correctly. Yabo. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi the power that I have, I've been standing on this, is this finger. I can delete, I can block. Maungena kwi profile, maungena kwi bio yami, uya kwi post yami, ukhuluma nonsense ngibona ngiyithanda, I can delete your comment. Wisha isifuba wena ukuthi ngicommentile lapha kanti dala usemgqonyeni. Yabo. But anyway, let me continue. So ke hambani ke nima groupini bafethu nibatshela PPT ayisekho othukayo mblockeni. Phela nje. Period. Regarding geopolitics, we have long been excluded from the global economy. Discussion have focused on the East and the West while omitting the middle. Now we will start recognizing, particularly with the advent of BRICS currency. Bafethu siligqoka ngepride leli jazz leli ngoba siyahambisana nalabantu lapha. Anyway, vele ngizowagqoka ke phela wase Europe kodwa nje I'm just trying to say ukuthi bafethu iBRICS iza noshintsho olunzulu kakhulu, iza nokuzoqeda ukuhlupheka komuntu omnyama, so we need to embrace it. Remember, yazi ukuthi njengamanje iBRICS currency is above ngokwe value kunelentozi kune dollar. There will be people who will be asking questions ukuthi, are we going to be able to buy or have that currency in hand, ye BRICS currency? No. That BRICS currency is going to be utilized in terms of international trading. Yeah, till to a certain point that it will be available as a currency that would be utilized. Uyiphathe nawe ibe wallet wakho uyithe, but asi-adoptanga lento eyenziwe e-Europe ukuthi kube ne-euro i-currency yase-Europe ekuthiwa i-euro. But this BRICS currency, it's only for trading, international trading. Apparently, I'm not sure what it's true, but I heard ukuthi i-BRICS they've sanctioned America. It's for the first time. America is being sanctioned by somebody else. That means how it's showing how the geopolitics is shifting right now. It's shifting serious. But you need to be very careful, guys. And you need to start learning, because we are moving away from the fiat currency. If I'm saying fiat currency, I'm talking about paper, imali, le paper. We are moving to the digital currency. Digital currency, whereby you're looking at in terms of your cryptocurrency, your currency that you would actually do everything that you do payments through digitally. So you need to start learning those things. Yeah, soon. Yeah, so try and teach yourself digital currency, how it works. How do you do depositing and withdrawing on digital currency? By learning cryptocurrencies. Yeah, mina ngizokutshela nje akekho umuntu wangifundisa ngama crypto. I sat down and taught myself. There's this thing that we tend to be running away. Ogoti, information is right in front of us on the internet. Google has information. It depends on what do you want to pick. Where do you want to go and pick, and what you need to collaborate to get proper information. YouTube will teach you everything sitting like this. Ungafunda YouTube ungafunda ukukhanda imoto mangaba ukwazi ukukhanda imoto ube umechanic ukwenze ukulento. So let's asikufundeni lokho. It's like but ke benge kwi digital currency. Let's teach ourselves digital currency. We are on number 13. Sizoloku sihlaziya nje bafethu laphana ngoba lezi zinto zi correlated ezinye zazo. Comrade Willis Mchunu is one who is going to do appointments in KZN. Hambani ngema grouping sanithuma bafethu. Comrade Willis Mchunu vele lento ikhona laphana. Khona bazoyimayiza lento le. Khona bazoyiziba. Commander Morning. Khona bazoyimayiza lento, khona bazoyiziba abayibonile ebaphethe kabi njengamanje oplakade omakhathoni baphethe kabi. Comrade Willis Mchunu is the one who is going to do appointments in KZN as a convener of KZN. Whether you like it or not, the National High Command has put that in place. Parallel structures, PPT, are no longer there. They are disbanded, seized. Ngike ngezwa kuthiwa khona enye ke yase KZN ngesikhathi ngikhona lapha ya kwilendoza kwiGaladina ekuthiwa do or die. Angazi ukuthi imandate ayithini, angifuni ukugxila kakhulu kuyona. Abantu base KZN abayazi kunjalo busi, kunjalo nje, whether they like it or not. The National High Command, the chief commander of Umkhonto Wesizwe, the highest commander in the Umkhonto Wesizwe, Umkhonto Wesizwe, MK, he is the highest commander, whether you like it or not. Yabo, i-ranking yakhe yamnika lelo gunya esengaphandle kwi-exile. I-ranking yakhe yamnika lelo gunya esengaphandle kwi-exile. He's the one who can call the order ukuthi ke kumkhonto wesizwe. Nayi order ke manje ake niyobahliphiza abafana. Uma futhi engathandi akathandi. Kunjalo nje ubaba has spoken. Whether you like it or not, bafethu, at the end of the day kukhona ke uyayithanda kubusi le. Nizongixolela ubukhona namhlanje ngizolo ngihleli phekwa uyayithanda le. If umuntu ungayithandi, go hang yourself, go kill yourself. Njengamanje ubaba ukhulumile bafethu. Uma ungawathanda ama principles omkhonto wesizwe, kushiwo kwathiwa hamba kuye kule nhlangano lena ozothanda ukwenza lento le ofisa ukuyenza lapha yana. Yabo, ngoba la siyizele siyayiyela. Now kuyathatha noma ushiye mawuthanda kunjalo nje bafethu. Sengiyakephi manje wabonga kubaba uMhlolozi. I trust you will respect our new leadership. Thumelane emagroupini.